All right, doing the bushings for the leaf springs. Picking up some new ones here. Um, so my press would nowhere near wide enough. So I used just one of the tools here. Um, use this, worked out perfectly. It was exactly the same size as this ring. Oh, sorry. So just nice and snug fit over that rubber. And I pounded in. Used a small sledge, nice and easy, and it slid in great. So I was really happy with that. And now I've got these brackets for these springs. So those are painted, cleaned, ready to go. And same here. So put these on. Um, this is the right side, and then I got some new bolts that I'm going to use. The other ones were rusted pretty good. So I can't remember which way the bolt went, whether the bolt went in this way with the nut on this side or vice versa. So I'm going to check my video real quick. All right, check the video. So it goes, so this is the right, and it goes from the left through to the right, and then the nut is on this side. So I'll show you why. So so the car is put sideways, so left side, right side. There's a bracket that goes on like that. Okay. So here is where the nut side goes, and this is the bolt side. So I guess you can see that nut. I don't know why, or turn it. Either way, so you can get in there. So it goes in. On the left to the right. It goes in this way. And the other side would go in the opposite way. So this side there, and then go in this way. All right. So that's it.